Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about the decisions taken in the 40th GST Council meeting held on 12th June 2020. The first decision is the late fees waiver or reduction. Taxpayers who have not furnished their Form GSTR 3B for the period July 2017 to January 2020 shall furnish their return Form GSTR 3B between 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020, and they will get a benefit of late fees reduction or waiver. If there is no tax liability, then no late fees will be applicable, and if there is a tax liability, then maximum late fees capped is rupees 500 per return. So the taxpayers can now furnish their returns Form GSTR 3B for July 2017 to January 2020 between 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020, and if there is no tax liability, then nil late fees will be applicable, and if there is a tax liability, then maximum late fees will be 500 per return. Second decision is your interest waiver decision. It will be applicable for small taxpayers having aggregate turnover of up to 5 crore for supplies made in February, March and April 2020. The rate of interest for late furnishing of their Form GSTR 3B will be now 9% per annum till 30th September 2020. This is the earlier notification which have been issued. For taxpayers having turnover of more than 1.5 crore but up to 5 crore, if they furnish their Form GSTR 3B till 29 June of February and March tax periods, March 2020 and February 2020 tax periods, then there will be nil rate of interest. Same category of taxpayers having aggregate turnover of more than 1.5 crore but up to 5 crore for April 2020 tax period, there will be nil rate of interest if they furnish their Form GSTR 3B till 30th June 2020. For taxpayers having aggregate turnover of up to 1.5 crore for February 2020, if they furnish their Form GSTR 3B till 30th June, then there will be nil rate of interest. For March 2020, if they furnish their GSTR 3B till 3rd July, then will be nil rate of interest, and for April 2020, if they furnish their Form GSTR 3B till 6th July, there will be nil rate of interest. And afterwards, for both the categories of taxpayers, if they furnish their return for February, March and April after the staggered period which have been specified earlier, but up to till 30th 9 2020, then there will be 9% interest rate. Now the relief for small taxpayers for May, June and July 2020 tax periods. Taxpayers having aggregate turnover of up to 5 crore they can furnish their GSTR 3B, and there is a late fees and interest waiver for May, July and June 2020 returns if they furnish till September 2020. The staggered date as specified earlier for the other tax periods will be notified later, but they have to furnish for the periods May, June and July 2020 returns till September. Next, there is a one-time extension period for seeking revocation of cancellation of registration. So the opportunity is provided to those taxpayers whose registration have been cancelled till 12th June 2020. They can now file an application for revocation of their cancellation of registration up to 30th September 2020, and afterwards the window will be closed. So these are the recommendations which have been recommended in the 40th GST Council meeting. The official notification will be notified later For more updates, you can visit www.cbic.gov.in. These recommendations have been made and it will be notified in the coming days. Thank you friends for watching. If you like the video, please like and share and consider subscribing to my channel for more updates. Thank you. Jai Hind and have a nice day.